Morning, we've got some rain, sleet and hail snow to clear Northern Ireland and Scotland through this morning, but for most of us it's going to be a cloudy start to the day, breaks developing, some hazy sunshine, but feeling cold. I'll have all the details. Everybody, if you're just stepping out, there's some rain, sleet and snow around this morning across parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland. It's a cold start too, regardless of where you are. At the moment in Braemar, the temperature is -1. In Durham, it's freezing. In Belfast, though, it's 5 degrees. Now, what's happening this morning is it's a cloudy start for many of us. The cloud will break through the day. We've got the rain, sleet and hail snow across Scotland and Northern Ireland. That will push northwards and eventually fizzle. And then as we come south, the cloud across England and Wales will slowly start to break up, but we still will have some high cloud around. So today, when the sun does come out, it's likely to be hazy sunshine that you have. The other thing is we still have a brisk southeasterly wind, and that is taking the edge off the temperatures, which are no great shakes. Anyway, we're looking at 4 in Lerwick, 5 in Liverpool and 9 in St Helier. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, a lot of clear skies. The temperature will fall away quite quickly. We're looking at some frost as well. Still a brisk wind. And then by the end of the night, we've got a new weather front introducing some rain across the southwest of England, also southwest Wales, and just fringing into Northern Ireland. So here it's not going to be as cold, and this weather front will tend to push northwards and eastwards and weaken as it does so. Behind it, we start to see an improvement in the temperatures, but more rain into Northern Ireland. Ahead of it too, it will be drier. So you can see we've got 9 to 11 in the west, but still chilly in the east. However, on Thursday, it is going to turn milder for us all, and you can find out just how mild by checking out your BBC weather app. Sarah and John.
Checks app right away. Thank you, Carol.
Thanks, John. That's right. Depending where you are, Sarah. Good morning, everybody. Sarah was quite right. I am standing in front of some snow. This is one of our Weather Watchers pictures, taken a wee bit earlier this morning in Aberdeenshire. We've had some rain, sleet and snow moving across Northern Ireland overnight and Scotland this morning as well, pushing northwards. It will eventually fizzle out. For England and for Wales, we're looking at quite a cloudy start for many, but the cloud will break. However, there's still some high cloud around, so the sunshine this afternoon will be hazy and a brisk southeasterly wind accentuating the chilly feel of the day. But as we head into the rush hour, a lot of clear skies across England and Wales, heading up into southern Scotland and for Northern Ireland as well. But you can see in the west, we've got a bit more cloud and a bit more cloud across the far north of Scotland, with still some dampness in the air. But with those clear skies, it does mean we're looking at a widespread frost. Could well be some icy stretches to watch out for in Scotland. Still a brisk wind, and by the end of the night, a weather front is going to bring in some more rain to the west. So as a result, it's not going to be as cold here as it is everywhere else. So we start tomorrow on a relatively dry note, a chilly one, mind you. And then we've got our weather front continuing to drift northwards and eastwards, turning more patchy, the rain on it, as it does so. Ahead of it, it will remain dry. Behind it, we have some brighter skies before more rain comes in from the west. But look at those temperatures, 10 to 12 in the west, still cooler in central and eastern areas. But that milder weather moves across us all, especially on Thursday and Friday. Sarah and John.
Thanks, Carol.